You heard it first on NDTV Profits. Saudi oil minister saying that crude prices are headed lower. That's Al Naimi. Taking that story forward, Mohini Verma finds out whether crude at $50 is indeed the truth of the current oil market.
Crude prices have slipped yet again, and clearly the name of the game is the demand-supply equation. Crude oil is hovering around $50 per barrel, which is the lowest level seen since May 2005. Crude prices have fallen on the back of rising stockpiles. Crude supplies jumped by 6.8 million barrels to 321.5 million barrels for the week ended January 12th. Through January, crude has slipped 15%, and now it is 36% lower than peak $78 per barrel levels hit last year. US and European winters have been warm, demand is down, and a few people believe that OPEC will cut 1.2 million barrels of production. And the biggest dampener came from a comment from the Saudi oil minister to NDTV Profit.
You don't look at supply cuts when you believe the market is getting healthier.
Will crude stay cool? Here's what analysts say.
Just as crude surprised quite dramatically on the way up, as in nobody really foresaw that from $9 or $10 or $11 in '98, crude would go up to nearly $80. On the way down, it will also exceed expectations. And there is clearly no bull market case that you can make in crude.
However, commodities guru Jim Rogers remains firmly bullish. He says crude oil prices are to move towards the $100 per barrel mark after the current correction. He believes that oil is to keep rising on the back of no major discovery in the last 30 years. Economic growth in China and Asia have also driven up demand for oil. The fall in crude prices is a big relief for India and its oil marketing companies, which are now looking forward to making profits after going into the red for the past 2 years.
And now with the crude further fallen from $60 to $50, we will be able to, impact of this will going to come in this quarter. And with this improvement, definitely I think it will help synthetic industry.
However, the euphoria for Indian oil marketing companies might just be short-lived, with the Indian crude basket having already slipped below the $50 per barrel mark. A fuel price cut may not be very far away. In New Delhi, Mohini Verma for NDTV.